Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. 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 How are you guys doing? 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 It's me, it is her, it is she, it is the. How are you guys doing today? Yes, the other night I was on that latte. I was on that latte and I was just spitting out those videos, spitting out, spitting out, spitting out. Today I'm not. Okay, let's just make it clear. I got on my blue, honey. I don't think this is Nipsey blue. No, it's not Nipsey blue. I think this is more of a Nipsey blue, right? Yeah. This is, I got on my turquoise. All right. I have my turquoise on today and the sun is going down. And that was a burp. So as I go along with this video, the sun is going to go down and that's okay. Okay. It is me. It is I. It is she. It is her. It is thee. It is we. It is who. Who? It is me and my bottom bitches, baby. It is Rosie Rosette 2020. Pow. All right. How y'all doing today? I know it's a little low today, huh? Because, you know, I usually don't have all that cleavage issues and that décolleté. Anyway. All right, let me get a little serious because this is a serious, well, this is one of my serious videos. I think this is my only serious video, but anyway, let's talk about it. You guys know why you're here. You know we're going to go over the COVID-19 updates. Today is, I thought today was the 19th. It's the 18th. Ooh, help me, Jesus. It's the 18th. You see that? 18th. I thought today was the 19th. I need to get back to work so I can get on schedule again. Anyway, stop spending money. Okay, that's a whole nother video. That's a whole nother video. One day I'll get it. I cannot find my tablet. I write down all of the subjects that I want to speak on and everything. I cannot find it anywhere, and it's driving me crazy. You know how when you can't find something, but you need it? And I mean, I can use another one. I used another tablet, this one right here, but still, I need to find my tablet because it has all of my notes. So I'm just winging it. I'm not winging it. Anyway, okay, let's talk about California. So the coronavirus disease. Let's see, what are the top stories? The top stories: LA Times, Los Angeles Times, COVID-19 declines in California as normal life returns. Yes, yes. But you know what? I kind of want the mask to stay on because let me tell you, when some people take those masks off, ooh, this girl at work. She has nails, and I guess she thinks she's cute. Well, I'm ugly at work because I don't wear makeup or anything. Anyway, talk about yuck mouth. Oh my God. I'm talking like plaque from, I don't think she's ever been to the dentist, or if she ever flosses, or I don't know if she smokes, but oh my God. Woo! And I don't understand, how is it that you have long nails and you can sit in a nail salon, because you know, you can sit in the nail salon and get your nails done, but you can't even, I'm not even going to talk about going to the dentist, but you can't even buy some dental floss. Even the dollar store sells dental floss, and you can't floss your teeth. So, ooh. So I said all that to say, can we please keep the mask? Can we please? Because, woo! Ooh. I remember my son was like, well, I've never seen you without a mask. And then I did it, and this other guy was like, oh, please put it back on. I was like, shut up. Anyway, so, okay. I mean, I'm happy that, you know, everything is getting better, but can we please keep the mask? Even though I can't stand the mask because I feel like, you know, I'm not claustrophobic, but sometimes I can't breathe. And then, you know, I like to put on a face, and, you know, I like them nasty lips. All of my lips end up being on the mask. I wish I had a mask with me. And I was just like, oh God. And then my friend was trying to say, oh, it's dirty. Yeah, it's dirty, but because I wear makeup. Okay, it's not dirty like filthy dirty or whatever. It's dirty because of makeup, but that's not. Anyway. Okay, so the next one is California coronavirus updates. California to keep mask rules until June 15th. We already know that. Yeah, that's less than a month That's less than a month away. So I think we can do that. I think we can do that. 5 counties promoted to California COVID tier restrictions. Placer makes progress. I need the gym in my building to open up desperately. I am so big. Like, but I'm also eating almonds that have salt, and I think that salt is just holding up all the water. All the water. It's swelling me up. And then there's medicine. So, anyway, okay, so in California, let's go on with the stats. So in California has 3.77 million cases of coronavirus. In the past 24 hours, 1,391 people have contracted it. I still have not contracted it, knock on wood, nor have I gotten the vaccine. I know I was supposed to get it, and I'm trying to go to a rich white neighborhood because hopefully the vaccines are not as lethal or deadly, allegedly. But still had, last week I had that big project. Okay, anyway. Okay, so as far as deaths, in California has 62,713. Oh, there's 62713 deaths. But 62,713 deaths in about 420 days. Give or take. But in the past 24 hours, 24 hours in the past day only, I'm not discounting that, these people have expired, but I'm saying that the numbers have gone down. Please understand, okay? I would never wish death on anyone. 21 people passed away. Only 21 people. Remember, you guys, at one time it was like 1,000. I can give you the numbers. What day was that? Oh, wait, hold on, because I was like, whoa. Okay, on February 24th of this year, not last year, this year, 1,084 people passed away. That's February 24th. See, look, that's deaths. Those are not cases. On February 24th, 1,084 people passed away. And on March 13th, 1,036 people passed away. So to go from that to 21, we are really improving in California. And I don't care what anyone says, Gavin Newsom has done a hell of a job. He's not perfect, but this is not a perfect pandemic, okay? This is not something that, you read up on or whatever, not to my knowledge. Now, if you look at the movies and if you look at, what's that cartoon that always predicts everything, then that's a whole nother story. If you look at Contagious, that's a whole nother story. You see what I'm saying? But I don't know of any classes that I took in college, regarding pandemics. Hell, I could not even pronounce pandemic. I was saying pandemic or pandemic, panindemic. I could not pronounce it. I don't know why, but I'm kind of, my reading's a little slow. Anyway, okay, so that being said, in the United States, this is the entire country between Canada and Mexico. That's the United States and Hawaii and Alaska. 33 million people, 33 million people. I'm sorry, you can't read my lips. You want me to sit up? Okay. Is that better? Okay, so 33 million people have contracted it. In the past 24 hours for the entire country, 29,387 people have contracted it. Knock on wood, that's still not me, not yet. As far as deaths, 587,000 people. 587,000 people have passed away of coronavirus. In the past 24 hours, 385 people have passed away. That's not good, but what can we say? Let me see if there's any more real news. Okay, slow uptake of COVID-19 vaccine in rural areas could hinder the end of the pandemic, CDC says. Why pregnant women with COVID in India have nowhere to turn, goats and soda. Several states report zero COVID deaths for the first time in months. Cuomo 5.1 million profit on COVID leadership book sparks outrage on Twitter. Local news: San Francisco Giants change rules about COVID tests for fans. San Francisco Giants remove COVID tests, vaccination requirements for home games. Okay. San Francisco Health Network and San Francisco Health Plan partner to deliver COVID-19 vaccines. Okay. COVID-19 vaccine acceptance rates lower among Black U.S. military services. You wonder? You really? Tuskegee. Okay. Military study finds U.S. vaccinated. I think it's 600,000. 12 to 15-year-olds last week. Health official. Top FDA official says fully vaccinated people could need COVID booster shots within a year. It just never stops. Santa Clara, Santa Cruz counties moved to into the yellow tier for COVID-19 reopening. So does that mean that the gym can open up in our building? Please? Please. I mean, like tonight. Santa Clara advances to yellow tier, eases COVID restrictions, San Jose spotlight. Yes. COVID. Will Santa Clara, Santa Cruz be the next counties in the yellow tier? See, I didn't even know that. You look at the news, they don't tell you everything. That's why you need to listen to me. Okay. Fully vaccinated woman with health issues dies of COVID-19. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. COVID death. Vaccinated Madison woman had underlying health issues. Fully vaccinated woman with health issues dies of COVID-19. News about Joe Biden. Biden wants to share COVID vaccines globally. Here's the activist helping him. Arkansas reports more than 300 new COVID-19 cases, 9 deaths. Okay, so maybe we need to put Arkansas on our radar. As Biden pledges 80 million vaccines for world U.S. expats. I can't say that, expats. As what about us? Okay, now this is regarding the variant. COVID variant from India. How contagious is the new variant? Next one, COVID variant from India could become dominant in the UK in a matter of days, posing unknown dangers. What we know about COVID-19 variant first round in India. Okay, Missouri AG serves Chinese Communist Party in lawsuit over unleashing COVID-19 pandemic. The next one, memorial honoring local lives lost to COVID-19 unveiled in Kern County. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Sonoma County again misses the mark for further lifting COVID-19 restrictions. Okay, so that's COVID. Let's head over to Texas. Okay, all right. Oh, nope, I did not show you the graph. California, let's go to all. Okay, come on. Oh, ooh, it's a sinus thing right there. Okay, here we go. That's for California. So you see that it is flattening out. You see that right there? It's flat. And that's a good thing. 21 people passed away. The county with the highest cases is LA. But I've been telling you that for years. Not for years. Well, yeah, since last year. We were doing good. And then all of a sudden, I don't know what happened in LA, but the numbers just went skyrocket. So, I don't know, but Gavin Newsom is the governor of California, and even though Northern California is totally different from Southern California, there is a difference, but still, if it wasn't for Southern California, our numbers would be doing good. But LA County has 1.24 million cases. Riverside County has 300,000 cases. San Bernardino has 297,000 cases. San Diego County has 279 cases. Orange County has 271 cases. Okay, then my county, Santa Clara County, has 119. So here, there's LA. There's the top, I guess, top 6 or 7. I can't count right now. And then these are the numbers. Okay. These are how my eyes work. This is exactly how my eyes work. Okay. So, there you go. Okay. Now we can head over to Texas. Let's head over to Texas right now. My back is killing me, but if I take that medicine, I'm out. That medicine knocks me out. I guess the muscle relaxer, it relaxes a lot, and I'm out. So I want to hurry up and make these videos, and then I can take the pain medicine, and then I'm out. Bye-bye. Rock up. No, I'm not going to say that. Okay, so in Texas has 2.93 million cases, 2.93 million cases. In the past 24 hours, 2,213 people have contracted the virus. As far as deaths, 51,180 people have passed away from coronavirus in the past, I'd say 400 days. In the past 24 hours, though, 34 people passed away. So still, Texas, California, one of the 2 biggest states in America, that's 55 people. That's not bad. I mean, I'm not saying that 55 people shouldn't pass away, but considering it was 5,000 people at one point, then 55. Okay, the top 5 counties in Texas that are leading with the coronavirus is Harris County. I don't know where Harris County is. I'm assuming either Houston or Dallas or Texas, but I'm not exactly sure. Harris County has 397,000 cases, 397 cases of coronavirus with 6,345 deaths total. Dallas County, which has 302,000 cases, they have 4,041 deaths. Tarrant County, which has 260,000 cases, they have 3,472 deaths. Bexar County has 221,000 cases, 221 case, and they have 3,538 deaths. El Paso County has 136,000 cases in the past. Okay, so, and they have 2,687 deaths. Okay, here is the graph, and Texas is flatlining. Yes, Texas is flatlining. So again, I think I said June, but let's push it back to December. I think by December, I think everyone will be okay. No, let me scratch that. It will be closer to normal. We should have a normal Christmas. Does that make sense? I went to an outlet mall, Gilroy. It's all bad. There's at least, I would say 10 to 20, I would say about 20% of the stores are gone. Boarded up, like disappeared, gone. So it is what it is. I guess survival of the fittest, that's what they say. Okay, let's head over to Florida. I'm so glad things are getting better because it was getting a little bleak for a minute. Okay, let's look at what are the top stories. Florida has 1,976 COVID cases. COVID-19 cases, smallest increase in over a month. Now, again, that number will be maybe different from the number that, that's on that graph. COVID-19 updates. Florida reports 2,800 new corona cases, 97 more deaths. See, those totally different. One is from 7 hours, one is from a day ago. So I guess yesterday was 1,976 with 19, yeah. And then today is 2,800. So you never know. Okay, here's another one. COVID in Florida, 2,805, 2,805 new cases, 94 deaths. So that's 8 hours ago. Before it was 2,800. That was 7 hours ago. Florida employers can require COVID-19 vaccination, but can't ask for proof. Well, how can you require, but you can't ask for proof? Orlando prepares to help renters hurt by the pandemic as Florida reports 1,989 new COVID cases. Gretchen Whitmer being investigated by federal officials over trip to Florida during COVID. Who's Gretchen Whitmer? Is that the governor? I'm not exactly sure. Okay. All right. So Florida has 2.3 million. That's kind of high. That's almost that. I think that's more than Texas, but not as much as California. 2.3 million cases in the past 24 hours, 1,976 new cases. As far as deaths, in Florida, there's 36,226. In the past 24 hours, 58 people have passed away from coronavirus in Florida. So, excuse me. Oh, darn it. I was about to say, okay, in 3 states, in 3 of the, biggest states in America, one of the 3 biggest states in America, it hasn't hit 100, but yeah, that just kind of put it on top. So there's like 113 people for Texas, California, and Florida. So let's head up to New York. Okay, did I show you that thing? See, Florida still has not flatlined, and that's okay. There may be some time. I don't know. Let's see. All right. All right. In New York. Okay. New York City, because we start with New York City and then we head on to New York State. This is a shadow. See, this is not there. There's a designer here. This is not dirty. Okay, anyway. New York City has 944,000 cases in the past 24 hours, 581 new cases. This is New York City. As far as deaths, there's 33,065 people that have passed away in New York City, not New York State. In the past 24 hours, 27 people have passed away. These numbers, although bleak because people are still dying, it's still good. Things are coming down. These are really coming down because, again, what day? No, I'm sorry. I'm always flabbergasted by. Okay. I guess. Well, like in April last year, there were, okay, April 9th of last year, 1,028 people died of COVID in New York City, not the state, New York City. 1,028, April 9th, 2020. I think that was the bleakest day ever. 1,000 people in one day. 24 hours. 24 hours. Again, I told you that I knew someone and he was an ER nurse, or he still is an ER nurse, and he said that code blue or code red, I'm not exactly sure, and I used to work at a hospital, whichever. I think it's code red. I think that's when someone dies or something. But anyway, it was every 8 minutes. They were code reading every 8 minutes. Like, no, 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 no. Oh my God. I got to check on them. Anyway, okay. So in New York State has, let me transfer over new cases. Okay. New York State has 2.09 million cases. In the past 24 hours, 1,379 people contracted the virus. As far as deaths, 52,480. In the past 24 hours, 32. So California still is well beyond, as far as deaths, COVID deaths, um, than any other state. 62. New York has 52. I think Texas was close behind. Okay, let's head over to Michigan. And what was that other state? Oh, Arkansas. Arkansas. Okay, let's head over to Michigan. And I did text my friend in Detroit, and he is doing much better. Okay, so let's look at the top stories. Michigan COVID. Here's what to know May 18th. Okay. Michigan reports 222, like roughly 2,200 new cases, 20 additional deaths over 2-day period. That's still kind of bad. Let me get my, sorry, I'm getting hot. Okay. Michigan reports 1,271 new coronavirus cases for Tuesday, May 18th. Oh, today is Tuesday. Popeyes. Okay. Michigan push for permanent COVID-19 rules sparks battle with business leaders. AG issues cease and desist to WMI, I guess West Michigan business over COVID-19 prevention claims. Nacelle calls on West Michigan business. Who's Nacelle? On West Michigan business to retract false claims about COVID-19 prevention. Ooh, that sounds kind of juicy. All right. Anyway, okay. So in Michigan, I would say Detroit, like Detroit is the only city, or it's Detroit, Michigan, and nothing else matters. That's not true. Okay. Michigan has 980 cases in the past 24 hours, 2,552 cases, new cases. As far as deaths, Michigan has 19,886 deaths. In the past 24 hours, 24 people have passed away. So, okay, so Michigan roughly has about 10 million people. California has 40 million people. California, 21 out of the 40 million, 21 people passed away of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours in California. In Michigan, Michigan has a fourth of the people as California does, and they had more deaths. They had, well, it was 3 more deaths, but still, that's 1/4 of the population of California, but yet just more people died in California. I'm sorry, more people died in Michigan from COVID than in California. So I just want to make sure that you guys understand the proportion of it all. And that is the graph from Michigan, okay? And it's going down, but it still hasn't flatlined. All right, so let's add, just for today, I don't know if I'm going to continue to do this. Actually, my stepfather is from Arkansas. That's all I'm saying. You know my stepfather, yeah. All right. Okay, so totals in Arkansas. Total cases. Okay. Arkansas has 339,000 cases. 339,000 cases. In the past 24 hours, 67 new cases. That's, why am I reading Arkansas again? I don't know. Okay, as far as deaths, they have 5,805 deaths. In the past 24 hours, 2 people have passed away. I don't know why. What did I read somewhere that, why is Arkansas on the, I don't know, because they're like flatline, but I don't think there's a lot of people in Arkansas. There's not really even any stories. Cases involving COVID-19 variants increase in Arkansas. Okay, that's why, because the variant. Okay, Arkansas Arkansas reports more than 300 new COVID cases and 9 deaths. Maybe that's for tomorrow. Maybe, okay, COVID-19 in Arkansas. Active cases increase. More than 300 new cases over the 24 hours. Okay, well, okay, so maybe that's for tomorrow because it said that, but here from the CDC, but I guess that's 24-hour relapse, whatever. It's only 67 new cases, so maybe it jumped from 67 to 300. Okay, well, that is that's it for today, for May 18th, 2021. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Please continue to wash your hands and have a lovely evening. Hopefully I'll speak to you tomorrow. If not, sometime later on this week. Bye.